Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and today I'm going to show you guys different style I'm going to try out on my faux locks, because why not? So I have my faux locks in for about a month now, and the new growth this go round is crazy. You guys, look at this. Like I mean, the only difference between this time and the last time I got my faux locks is I'm taking hair vitamins, and them things are working, honey. And I know that for a fact because I have to pluck under my chin every day. It's ridiculous, but at least I know that it's actually working on my head as well, so that's very exciting for me because I'm trying to grow my hair out 2021. All right, so we are gonna style the faux locks. Right now I just have it in a ponytail. That's how I like to sleep with it, and it's just, you know, super plain. But we're gonna style it in 3 or 4 different ways. I'm not sure yet. I had some ideas, but we're gonna style it. First things first, whenever I do any type of hairstyle on my hair, I have to have lipstick on my teeth. The first thing I'm gonna do when I style my hair is always my edges, okay? This is the only edge control I use on these baby hairs, okay? This is the Virtuous Hold Edge Tamer by Art of Beauty. This thing smells good, it works good. The hold on it is a hold, honey. It's like, it's holding all right. I love this thing so much. It's just, I love the way it smells. It reminds me of my childhood. It kind of reminds me of like pomade or pomade, if you know what I mean. But it's not, it's more of a gel. It's edge control. And I'm gonna take my edge brush. I'm just gonna dip it in there. And the way I like to do my edges, I've kind of talked about it quite a few times, but we're gonna show you guys again. So I've been doing this little never-ending swirl kind of thing, and I just love the way it looks on me. So I like to start right here, kind of brush everything forward, lightly brushing everything forward so I know exactly where I'm gonna be doing this. And so basically what I do, I start right here and I do this one forward. I like to pull it back and forward like that. Kind of like a never ending. It's like you barely are lifting the brush. And I love that this edge control dries down really fast. Like, because sometimes I'm in a rush and I don't have time to tie my hair down, but because this dries down so fast, you don't even need to tie it down. Go over it one more time. Bring that one to the back and then this to the side. Really simple. That's how I've been doing it, especially with these faux locks. So again, I push everything forward. Okay, just like that. And then starting here, we do a little swoop in the front and then pull it to the back and then back to the front. And that's it. It's super simple. You can do this in 1 minute exact. So because I've already done my makeup, I just need to adjust the little parts where I swooped because my makeup moves. I'm gonna tap that in with my beauty sponge just right over that hairline. Boom, just like that. All right, so let's get started with styling. Oh, feels so good when I let it down. Oh, this is so cute. This is what I wore. I wore this about 2 weeks ago, this exact outfit with my hair down like this. It's this cute little Hawaiian dress. Perfect for the summer. It's going to be super, super easy. I'm going to take my hand and just go through the side and just split it off in half. Okay. And we're just going to pull all of this to the side. You could do whatever side you prefer. It's really, really so simple. So I just took half of that hair and I pulled it to the side. I like this side better. And then whatever's in the back is going to remain in the back. Come on, stay here. Now, if your faux locks give you a hard time with staying, you can pin them, but I typically don't have to pin it when I wear it like this. It kind of just stays for me, unless I'm doing a little bit too much. All right, so that's really kind of it, but I like to decorate it, of course. So these are those little hair things that you can buy at a beauty supply store. They're about $1 a pack, and the pack comes with about, I think, 6 or 7. And then I just like to put a few in the front close that up. Like, it really does not take much to style faux locks. It's literally the best just wake up and go hairstyle. I like doing this because it looks like I am trying, but all I did was flip it to the side. It's so funny. Close it up. Okay, maybe one more. Okay, there's that. Really simple. It looks like, you know, put together. And whether you have your makeup done or not, this style is really, really cute.